talk about modularization in general, and then we're going to focus a little bit more on modularization in robotics. Modularization is a natural process for any new technology that's coming out. It often happens without us even realizing it. Some quick examples, well, let me say this. Modularization is a critical thing for any evolving technology. You need it to happen so the standards can evolve. It's also a very normal process because no one company can do everything. So what happens is you start to get the standards, you start to modularize, and people can focus on their core competencies. And again, start plugging into a vertical that's there. So, some quick examples. A good one is photography. At one point, you would buy all of your equipment from one company. It was a realm of hobbyists. You would have to build your lab in your basement. You'd have to understand your cameras. You'd have to be able to process your own film. You'd have to print it yourself. It might sound familiar because as roboticists, this is what we're doing. We're building our own labs. Whereas you think about it in photography, now if you go through the process of taking a picture to having one in your pocket, you're going to deal with half a dozen companies at a minimum. Someone else takes care of the chemicals, someone else does the paper. It's a modularized industry because it's mature. You have standards for your film, you have standards for the printer type, paper types, standards all the way up and down throughout the whole vertical. The car itself is modular if you think about it. You know, you have to buy parts for your vehicle, but you can buy your rims anywhere you want to, your alternator anywhere you want to, your wheels anywhere you want to. It's a modular technology. And it's a fun one I want to show off. You don't think about it, but even your home is modular. Your appliances have standard sizes. You have standard outlets. Your plumbing, your electrical is standardized. The furniture is standardized for the size of the rooms. The doors are standardized. Anybody who's had to run to your dog is modular, if you want it to be. Anybody who's run to a hardware store might argue that one, but if you think about it, in the past, we dwelled in all types of living dwellings. And now in America, you know, pretty much whether it's an apartment or a house, most of the things you buy and use in your house are modular. So sometimes it's happening when we're not even thinking about it.